Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, I'm going to mention that this process also removes screen locks, so if you have one set that you don't know, it will get rid of it. Now, typically with Android devices, the device will become also FRP locked if you're logged into a Google account, but we don't have Google account, and I'm not exactly sure if this device becomes or has any kind of lock like this. So just know that if there is such a thing, when you're going to the setup, you'd need to verify either the Google account or any kind of account. In this case, probably HUAWEI account or the previously used screen lock, possibly. And additionally, if there is such a thing, I have no way of bypassing this as far as I know, so just wanted to mention this. But assuming you know your logged in account, then you should be good to go. Anyway, let's just get started. So from the lock screen, I'm going to begin by holding the power button and selecting power off. There we go. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Gonna let go of the power button once the HUAWEI logo shows up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now, for some reason, it's in not English. I think that might be Spanish. So let's see if I can remember this correctly. So we're gonna select a third option or a second one. Nope, it's going to be the second one. So this one. Now, the orientation of these is the same, no matter like what language it is in. So I'm going to select the second one, and then we have three options. Back, we have factory reset or wipe cache partition. So we want to select the first one. Now, you select these using your volume buttons, which I didn't mention. So you can scroll down using volume down and up using volume up, and you use power button to confirm the selection. Now here it's telling us to type in yes to confirm it, so just simply type in yes like this, and we're going to select, oh actually we can use the touch screen, so you can just tap. It's going to begin factory resetting the device. And after it's finished, we can select back, which is the last option. Hopefully in your case it's in English. There is no language selection for the recovery mode. It's just sometimes picks it on its own. So that's why it's in a different language. But anyway, once you're on this page right here, I'm going to select the last option. Oh, never mind, not my bad. First one. This is the reboot. Last one would have been the safe mode. Now, once you begin the reboot of the device, it will continue the factory reset of it in the background, so just let it run through it. It's not like you can do anything right now. And once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.